Okay, so what is up, guys? Jason here, back with another vlog. And yeah, so if you're wondering why my hair looks different, I tried cutting it by myself. So here's a clip of that. And also, if you're wondering if this is a green screen, then no, this is a solid wall that I painted by myself. Here is a clip of that. Today we are going to a lighthouse which is in Betul. Okay, so I've been to that place many times, but I never knew that there was a lighthouse there. Okay, so we are going to go there today, and I'm going to take you with me. So if you aren't subscribed already, then do subscribe, and also click on the bell notification. Click on the bell icon, and then you need to click all. That way you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, without wasting any much time, let's get going. Okay, so we are on our way to Betul, but before that we need to fill up the fuel. As you can see, we are on reserve right now. So we are going to fill up, and then we'll be on our way to Betul Lighthouse. Okay, so we just finished filling up. So as a small challenge, I'm going to reset the fuel economy and also the trip meter. So I'm going to try to pull as much fuel economy as I can. This car is rated at 19 to 20 kilometers per liter, but let's see how much I can pull. Also, there's a GoPro which is charging, which I actually forgot to charge. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so that is the Barade Cross. As you can see that is the Barade Cross. And if you want to see the video, I've already made a video on that. You can click here on the side if you want to see it. Okay, so that is the Barade Chapel or the Barade Cross, and so you have to go from there. You have to go up to this side, which okay, so we've been walking for the past 2 minutes now, and it was really cloudy, but all of a sudden the sun has come out, as you can see. And yeah, we almost reached the lighthouse. Just a few more steps and we'll be up there. So yeah, let's go. And also there's no one up here, so you don't really need to wear a mask. So that is why I'm not wearing a mask. So okay, so we made it up to the lighthouse, and we can't go in because of the coronavirus, so you won't be able to go up. But if you walk towards this side, you will get the beautiful view of Betul. As you can see, there's also a dog that is guarding the entrance, who won't let you go in. But regardless that, this is the lighthouse, and if you come here, you get a good view of, I think you get a good view of the Mabor beach, which is like over there. So we'll switch to a telephoto lens and let's show you some views. And there is the Mabor beach, and here's the jetty. So yeah, I have my Nikon, which has the telephoto lens. So as you can see the boats over there, the fishing trawlers, I think these are called. Yeah, without wasting any much time, let's cut to some cinematics. Even though there is nothing much here, but let's just try to get some cinematic shots here. Okay, so Okay, so I literally waited like 3 days to shoot this video because it was really raining for the past 3 days continuously, but now the sun is really out and yeah, it's too bright. You can't actually get shots from there because of the exposure. Also do follow me on Instagram if you want to see some shots of this, some good pictures that I took. Hopefully once the pandemic is over, then maybe we can come and we can also go up the tower, because from there you can really get a good view from here down. From down here not much. There is trees that are blocking it. There is trees which are blocking your view. So yeah, maybe once the pandemic is over, then I can come again here. So yeah, let's go down now. Okay, so 2 minutes ago it was really sunny here, and all of a sudden the clouds are out. As you can see, it's now really cloudy, and I hope it does not rain because we left our umbrellas in the car. So this is a lighthouse, and from the right side you get the view of the beach, and if you look on the left side you get views of the mountains. Now that we are done with the lighthouse, and we are in Betul. So Betul is actually known for the fishing jetties and the fish that you get here. So we are going to try to find some fish here. So as you can see, that is the fishing market, I guess. But there is some crowd over there, so we'll go ahead. Okay, so a quick update. My mom is going to go get fish. So a quick update on the fuel challenge that I said. We've driven a total of 25.3 kilometers, and the average fuel economy that I've got is 24.2. Now the reason, because okay, so I think I almost had like 25 kilometers per liter, but since we went up the Barade hill, up the hill to go to the lighthouse, we actually lost a few kilometers in the average. So still, for a car that said 19 to 22, something like that, a 24 kilometer average is really good. So now we are probably going to go home. So on the way we might just stop at the Asolda Kabilosi bridge. I don't know if it will be crowded or not, but if it is crowded, then we won't stop. But if it is not, then we'll probably go down and just. The guy was literally staring at me. The guy on the motorcycle was literally staring at me for some reason. I don't know. Okay, so we are at the Asolda Kabilosi bridge right now, and as you can see, it is a hot spot for people to chill in the evening. Like you can see, literally people going with cycles, people just chilling there, enjoying the evening. And today it is not as crowded as it usually is. So we'll probably find a parking spot, we'll park there and get some cinematic shots. If you want to visit any of these places, you can find the link to the Google map in the description below. So let's just find a space to park and we'll get some cinematic shots, and then we'll head back. Okay, so that's the vlog, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and do turn on your post notifications, as I'll be posting more vlogs. Maybe I'll post like funny vlogs, or like vlogs, or like whatever, or if anything good happens, you know, anything that is worth sharing with you guys, then I'll maybe even vlog that. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, bye.